What's up, Marcos? It's Polo. So this video I've been trying to do for a long time. I'm so hyped. Before we buy all the BOBA and stuff, we're gonna go hit a quick gym workout. Keep the STI. We got the Subi back. We had a rental car for a while. She's looking clean, boys. Fucking man. Try out the workout, and right after we're gonna go get some dang BOBA. We're at the BOBA spot right now. We're about to pick up all the BOBA tea. Shoot, I'm in the Subaru. I got the vape on. We got the BOBA tea, bro. ABG's about to pull up.
11 minutes later.
And now we're about to go home. We're about to eat them all. Let's go, baby. Alright, not even gonna be able to finish this even though I'm a fat ass. So we got teas. We got slushy smoothie teas, which are by far my favorite. And then we also got milk teas. So these are like what BOBA tea is known for, like milk teas. We're doing my goddamn favorite. We're doing the slush teas. If you want that heat, baby, if you want that flavor in your mouth, if you want to feel like you're in like a dessert. So this one is called Choco Cat. This one's like a chocolate raspberry type thing. It doesn't look at that aesthetic right now, but that's because it's been like an hour. Alright, definitely fire. Not my favorite. I love chocolate. I like raspberries, but me personally, bro, I don't like mixing them, bro. But if you mess with that, definitely hit this up. Because for you, this would probably be 10 out of 10. For me, this is more like an 8.5 out of 10. This one, I don't even know what this is. I'll probably know what this is after I drink it, but I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones I love. 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, I'm not sponsored at all by this company, BOBA, but hey, BOBA, I know you're watching. Sponsor me, hit me up, bro. Let me get that sponsorship, bro. I'd love to have free BOBA every single day for the rest of my life. This one, also fire. Don't remember the flavors, all right? Don't hate me for the flavors, but this one, also fire. It's like a yellow one. This one, I know what this one is. It's taro and Oreo. And now I know what you're thinking. What the hell is a taro? I didn't even know what taro was before I started drinking bubble tea. Apparently it's some vegetable, it's purple, it's in Asia, but it's fire. And it's even more fire that they mixed with Oreo. This used to be my #1 favorite flavor, taro and Oreo. Good combo. Taro by itself, I think is even better. I just love taro. You're thinking, oh, a vegetable? That's disgusting. No, it's the best vegetable ever. And mixed with Oreo, fire. Mixed with boba, your mouth, oh my god, you're in for a ride. All right, this one, baby, you're thinking pink. What the hell is pink? This one they call Cuddles on the Beach, peach, and I think strawberry. Let's get a drum roll. 10 out of 10. Easy. If I had to pick one and you put a gun to my head and you're like, yo, Polo, pick one. Shoot me instantly. Right there, I'm dead. If I get to pick two between these two, every BOBA tea place has taro. Go to any BOBA tea place, they'll have taro. Cuddles on the Beach, peach and strawberry. You could basically make that at any BOBA tea place because they all have like fruit flavors. Let's move on to the milk teas right now. I actually know what some of the flavors are because they didn't wipe off. This one's taro. We're gonna save taro for last because I love taro and I already know it's gonna be good. I don't know about any of these three. No idea. I was in Taiwan for like a day one time on my way to Japan, and I had this exact flavor. Yeah, all right, this one's like it's just milk tea, like that's the flavor, like OG milk tea. You know, bread and butter play is fire, it's pretty good. If you haven't ever tried OG, try it out. Next, this one's called Thai green tea. I don't know about green stuff. Okay, your boy Polo can get down with that. Stack State, baby, represent. I'm just kidding, I didn't even go here. I mean, this tastes kind of like that one, just a little different. It just tastes a little different. If you end up ever trying this one, try the Thai green one because it's also pretty good. Next, we have jasmine. I don't even know what that means, bro. What is this, jasmine rice? Again, dude, maybe I have a bland ass mouth and like taste buds because I've been eating so much spicy food my whole life because I'm Indian, but it tastes kind of similar to both of those two. That's bad, but it's good. I definitely still like the OG the best. Maybe because me personally, it reminds me of Taiwan and like traveling and stuff, so I think this one's like close to my heart. You already know what I have to say about this one. I already know it's gonna be 10 out of 10. It's a vegetable and it's killing the game. I'm gonna chug this whole thing right now. Fun fact, I just learned something. You can't chug BOBA teas. Why? Because there's a bunch of balls. You can't chug it or else you're gonna choke on a bunch of balls and you're gonna die. You wanna be that guy or girl who was known to die from chugging on balls? That's what I thought. Fire, 10 out of 10. I recommend taro and I recommend original, like a milk tea. It's like a basic flavor. Let's start this right now. I don't even know what flavor this is. This is like some green one. This one, dude, it tastes like a Jolly Rancher in a good way. Like that green Jolly Rancher blasted in my mouth. Every video I'm basically just gonna be like, yo, if it tasted good, it's gonna blast your mouth. Orgasm, you know, all that good stuff. Also, I don't know any of these flavors. Homegirl wrote for the flavors on there. All the condensation, it just melted off. Yeah, we're screwed. This one, all right, this one's all right, you know, let's be honest. This one, it's like a 7 out of 10. Damn, bro, tasted like actual like tea. You know, I thought this tasted like watermelons or something, you know? It looks like a pina colada to me, bro. I don't even know how this is gonna taste. This one is so fire. I suck at describing shit. This one's like 10 out of 10. I'm gonna chug this one later. Let's try this out. Cheers. Damn, that's like melony. Is that a word, melon? You can taste the melon in there. That's fire. Let's try out this last one. It's all right. For me personally, I like sweet stuff. I like boba tea and like all these types of teas when they taste like dessert. All right, hashtag Marco Army. I'm out. Peace out. Stupid ass people think I'm actually gonna eat all these, bro.
Like and subscribe, bitch.